Hello everyone, thanks for visiting our YouTube channel. Let me begin with a question. Are you interested in making a career that involves working with big data and crunching numbers? Then there are two avenues you would like to consider: becoming a data analyst or data scientist. Both data analyst and data scientist represent two of the most in-demand and highest-paying jobs in 2022, as the world increasingly relies on big data in many aspects for business. But no wonder there is large amount of vagueness when using these job titles, which also causes a lot of confusion in choosing the most suitable job role for you. Which one pays more, what prior experience is required, and much more. So today in this video, LearNowX team is here to help you understand the difference between data analyst and data scientist. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's first understand who exactly is a data analyst. A data analyst collects, analyzes, illustrates data so everyone can understand it. The data collected usually comes from a single source. Data analysts are responsible for cleaning, organizing, and translating raw data into actionable business insights, which the organization uses to make data-driven decisions. Now, what is the skill set one needs to become a data analyst? Basic programming language such as R, Python, SAS, etc. is recommended here. SQL, database knowledge, and knowledge in any data visualization tool such as Tableau and Power BI would also be an added advantage for you. Coming to the next job title, data scientist. So, a data scientist is a professional who analyzes the data strictly from a business perspective and is responsible for delivering predictions that aid in business value. They deal with both structured and unstructured data. They are also expected to identify suitable arenas of data from which they can find relevant patterns to help in business-related problems. So let's discuss, what skill set do we require to become a data scientist? The job of a data scientist requires both strong business acumen and advanced visualization competencies, along with solid narration skills. They must have proficiency in any programming language such as Python, R, Java, etc., along with the skill set in the latest technology such as big data, Hadoop, machine learning, or deep learning. To explain each role in a sentence, a data analyst works with data visualization and statically analyzes to understand data and identify trends, while a data scientist works to create framework and algorithm to create data that businesses can use. Let's get to the good stuff now. How to make a career in data science and data analyst. Take the first step on your career path with LearNowX. Our knowledge-driven experts are standing by. Enroll now and kick off your career with industry-level life projects, 360-degree career support, 100% placement, and so much more. Check out the link for the mentioned course in the description box. So, that's all for the day. We hope you gain invaluable insight into how these job roles are different from each other. Thanks for watching the video. Keep visiting us for more such informative and engaging videos.